out to buy a snowblower. It's actually this one right here. So let's see what we can do. We are in Sears right now, and we'll take it back and we'll start actually plowing the snow so we can go and park our car in the garage. So we bought the snow blower, and we realized it wouldn't fit in the car hull, and we were thinking about taking it apart and putting it in the car, but then they're like, well, if you mess it up or something like that, it could be harder to put together or something. I'm not exactly sure. So we were like, okay, we'll go rent a U-Haul. Well, then we left to go rent a U-Haul. Well, first of all, there's no pickup truck U-Hauls anywhere around us. And we're like, okay, we get a little bit bigger one. Then we started doing the math. It was like $92 to rent it.
Just to rent it.
Just to rent it. And then it would be $1 a mile.
That is insanity. And then you got to fill it back up with gas when you return it. So it was going to be like $200 just to get a snowblower to our house.
Yeah. So we decided while we're out, not being successful and getting a pickup truck, like, we are going to take it apart and put it in my car.
Yeah. We were going to go to Enterprise, rent a truck, but she's like, we're back ordered a week and a half. I'm like, okay, so that's gonna be everywhere if they're out of stock for a week and a half.
Yeah.
So like, we'll just take it apart. I mean, I don't see why it's the big deal. They have them in the store pre-built, which is nice. It just doesn't fit back here. So we're like, okay, well, I mean, there has to be instructions.
Yeah, and there are.
It's not even that much to take apart. It's just like the arm and then the actual blower.
The blow chute.
The blow chute. So it's already purchased it.
Yeah, we already purchased
it.
it.
We have to do this.
Yeah.
And they're not open tomorrow, and they close in 2.5 hours. So there's no other option.
So here we go. Okay, so now we are driving back to Westella to home with our snowblower back there. So we did it. We got it home. Our bungee cords held up, and now it's time to throw some snow. Okay, here we are in Alaska, I guess doing Alaskan things. Feels great.
Hey guys, we are outside our house. It is 8 o'clock. We are at the end of March. I have 49 today. So we wanted to have a fire. I'm currently standing in our fire pit where we do have our fires. I chopped down a couple of trees a few days ago and we had a fire. It was beautiful. It was nice. We were looking at the stars. So, unfortunately, we are chopping down trees that are dead. And I say unfortunately is because they died by beetle kill. So, to my right here, we do have a beetle killed tree. On the other side of our property, have a complete beetle killed tree. He is behind our septic tank. He's a small guy, but we could probably get about 6 or 7 pieces out of him tonight for a fire. So we are gonna go chop him down. We are going to use our little axe that we have. I haven't bought a chainsaw. I'm kind of holding out on it. So we have our 1 foot by 3 inch blade axe. That's all we have right now, unfortunately, but you know, this is how they did it in the old days. They didn't have chainsaws. So we are gonna go over to the other side of the property and chop that guy down. All right, now we gotta chop off all the dead branches and then cut it up with the saw. Like you mean it. There you go. And then you gotta collect them. Collect them. Ooh. No. Saw. If you the camera's like
go towards the house. The roof's metal.
True.